Hi everyone, welcome to Trust Basket. I am Kirti. In today's episode, we will be learning about what is yellowing and what advanced reasons are causing yellowing of your plants and how to overcome it. The next important reason for yellowing of plants is nutrient deficiency. Maybe your plants are not getting a sufficient amount of nutrients they want for their growth. So if leaves are turning yellow, it may be mainly due to the lack of nitrogen in soil. When plants do not get nitrogen for a longer period of time, the younger leaves will turn into yellow. Not only nitrogen but other elements like calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc and potash. They also cause yellowing of leaves in your plants. If we look at them in detail, lack of calcium causes yellowing of leaf with crisp feel. In tomato plant, it causes the physiological disorder called blossom end rot. Deficiency of iron causes the younger leaves to turn into yellow color. Usually, leaves will turn into yellow with green color veins. Deficiency of potash causes the edges and tips of the leaves to turn yellow. In the severe cases, you can observe the brown spots or the burnt-like appearance on the leaves. When your plants need zinc, they usually look pale green color. You have to learn to identify the deficiency symptoms that your plant shows. You need practice and experience to identify the symptoms. If you face this problem in your garden, you have to switch use of chemical fertilizers to organic manures because as we discussed in our previous episodes, chemical fertilizers provide only specific nutrients. If you are using 17-all means it provides only 17% of nitrogen, 17% of phosphorus and potash. But plants want other micro and macronutrients for their healthy growth. You have to buy different chemical fertilizers to provide different nutrients for your plants. If you have few number of plants, it becomes practically impossible to do so. So, solution for this problem is to use the organic manure. It could be vermicompost, livestock manure or any bio manures because use of organic manure improves the soil texture and structure and it provides most of the nutrients if not all for your plants. If you have not noticed these kinds of visual symptoms on your plants, then you have to analyze the next problem that may be causing yellowing in your plants. The next important reason for your plant to become yellow is due to some common gardening diseases like powdery mildew or downy mildew. The first fungal disease is powdery mildew. The main visual symptom of powdery mildew is presence of powdery structure on the upper leaf surface. In the initial stage of disease development, you will notice only powdery structure on the upper leaf surface. Later, this powdery structure will disappear and only a yellow patch will appear on the leaves. Many atmospheric conditions trigger the development of powdery mildew in your plants. They are like a warm and humid climate, intermittent light and rain. Along with these, too much shade for your plants and overcrowding of plants with very poor air circulation can encourage the development of powdery mildew in your plants. If you want to control this powdery mildew organically, then you have to go for neem oil solution as a preventive measure. You can prepare a solution of baking soda, dishwash and water and spray on the leaves wherever you see the powdery structure. Research has shown the spraying of milk with water can control the spread of powdery mildew. The next disease that causes yellowing of leaves is downy mildew. Downy mildew is another disease that causes yellowing of leaves. A main visual symptom of downy mildew is presence of powdery structure on the lower surface of leaves and yellow patches on the upper leaf surface. Later, these yellow patches will turn into brown and they will dry. Atmospheric conditions that favor the development of powdery mildew also encourages the growth of downy mildew in your plants. Factors like hot humid climate, intermittent light and rain, overcrowding of plants with very poor air circulation can encourage the downy mildew in plants. Follow the same control measures as in powdery mildew to control the downy mildew in your plants. In rare cases, plants will show yellowing due to some other diseases. Example is leaf spot. Leaf spot in rose causes premature yellowing of leaves. We hope you have understood fundamental reasons for yellowing of your plants and how to overcome it. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. Bye until next time. We make different gardening products. We sincerely believe that our products will delight you. If you consider buying our products online, please refer to the link below in the description. If you want to know more about gardening, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.